There's the order. No tip.
2 weeks ago, we talked about the new DoorDash update to consumers. When you don't leave a tip in an app, you get an alert. I tested it today. I live and work in St. Louis, Missouri. Love my city. And we know this isn't in every market, but I didn't know when I filmed this if it was going to be in my market. You're going to see in real time me placing an order with no tip. How long does it take? Do I get the alert? Let's find out and watch. Welcome back to the RideShare Guy. Pedro back at you. Now let's open up the consumer app. I'm going to place an order and see if it tells me about the tip alert. So I got to the point here. You see the fees, estimated tax, small little order, but it is expensive. The automatic tip was $3. That's the default, but you can change that right here. And this is where customers type in 0.00. The miserable, uninformed people. Am I going to get a tip alert here? I typed in 0. Still haven't seen anything about an alert. I'm waiting. Still nothing. Submitting order. And it appears it went through, and I did not see any type of alert telling me your order might be delayed or cold or Dashers get to choose things. Now, we know it's market to market. They're testing these things out. I get to even order something else if I choose. I did not leave a tip on this order, and it went through fairly easy. Now, the next part might shock you. Now, the Dasher app gives you options. You can review your order, all that kind of stuff, or you can see Dasher tip 0. You could cancel it. It tells you if you do that, how much you're going to be refunded because they've already started it. And I still haven't gotten an alert that somebody accepted it. But I am seeing, okay, well, I'm going to get it very soon, and bam, Kayla. Now, you see how it says add tip? You can add tip, which is nice. And actually, I did do that because I felt like it was the right thing to do. But I got no alert, but there is an option to add the tip. And you can see you can track her. She's dropping it off. She accepted this at $2.
Well, there's the order.
So that order went through at $2. That's my base pay in my market. Somebody accepted it within just a couple of minutes. Dropped it off. I added a tip. She didn't see that until after she confirmed it. Now, why do I bring this up? DoorDash is telling non-tipping customers, hey, pause. Do you really want to make sure this order goes through? In some markets, not mine. But I don't think it's going to make much of a difference. I think if somebody's going to tip, they'll tip. If they won't, an alert won't stop them. It might stop them if they feel some type of way from ordering altogether. And then Kayla doesn't even get to make $2 or $5 or $10 because you can't add a tip, but most people won't. But I don't think this alert's really going to affect as many consumer habits and tipping and Dashers as much as we think. DoorDash is telling us tips are up on average. Who knows how they can finagle those numbers, right? Who knows if that's true? A lot of people are telling me, and a lot of you guys might be having an experience that you're actually seeing tips go down year over year, month over month, quarter over quarter. You're seeing those bigger tips, not as much. The average tip size, you see a lot of $2, $3 tips, which isn't great depending on how far they are from the restaurant. I don't think this tip alert thing is going to make much of a difference. I don't think I'll ever see it in St. Louis. I think they're going to test it out, and that'll be that. I do like that I can, as a consumer, add a tip. That's a very easy thing to do. It's usually you can add a few dollars, so you can add it even if you start at 0, or even if I left a $10 tip from the beginning, you can add some money. So let's say a Dasher's waiting a long time for your order, you can add a tip. Can't take it away, you can add it. Good feature. But consumers, as a consumer, that order went through. I see it goes through. This is the key part. That order went through quick. It got delivered quick. I picked it up. It was there, no issues. And I didn't leave a tip. So I don't think DoorDash alerting customers will do anything. That's what I'm hearing from drivers. That's my perspective as of now. I think if anything, it just gives them some bad press, and it might turn some consumers away from even making that order go through. They're like, you're going to shame me? You're telling me I have to pay the driver, but I just paid these fees? Why don't you just pay them more? And maybe they're like, you know what? I'll order somewhere else, or I'll go pick it up. So if anything, it might take away opportunities from drivers. But the positive is, yeah, do we really want those consumers ordering? No, because those are the ones that give you trouble, and we shouldn't be taking $2 orders anyway. Kayla took a $2 order. It pained me, so I had to add a tip afterwards. But I saw no alert. You guys saw everything that I did in real time. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you're a driver for DoorDash, are you seeing your tips increase, decrease? How many times do you see a tip come in afterwards saying customer added a tip? You usually get an alert on your text message, and it shows through in your earnings as well. Original tip and an added tip. How often do you see that? Let us know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in 2 weeks.